Hi there, this is a video demonstration of how you can integrate PowerDialer with HubSpot. For starters, you need to go to PowerDialer, click on Contact List tab. Once you click on Contact List tab, this will essentially be the view that you will have. You need to go to Import on the top right, click on Import. Once you click on import, there are all the integrations that we are supporting currently. You will find HubSpot. Since I've already connected my HubSpot CRM with this platform, PowerDialer, it doesn't show me to connect HubSpot, but for you, it will be showing Connect HubSpot. So for the time being, I'll click on replace and start from scratch. So here you will get an option to add API key once you click on Connect HubSpot here, right? So for the API key, you need to go to HubSpot. Then you need to go to settings in the toolbar, click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, you need to go to integrations, go to private apps. Now I've already created a couple of master API key with the name PowerDialer because I've integrated both the platforms before also, but I'll do one from scratch. I'll name it as PowerDialer testing. Now I'm already done. I need to click on scopes. I need to set and add the new scopes. Scopes are essentially the permission for the data transmission and everything. Like what all permission do we need to fetch all the data from CRM, and then what what all permission do we need to sync back the data to CRM. So this is the two-way syncing that we do with HubSpot integration. So you just need to make sure that you are checking in all the checkboxes for CRM and automation, right? All these checkboxes that you get under automation and all the checkboxes that you get under CRM. Now, as you can see, I've already checked in all the checkboxes for both these categories. Once I've done that, I just need to click on update at the bottom. Once I click on update, I need to, all the permission is already given. I just need to click on create app, continue creating, and then my private app is created, which is basically the API key that we need. We click on show token and then copy it from here, then close it. Now you need to make sure that before you add this API key over here, you need to make sure that in your HubSpot there should be active tasks on the contact that you need to make calls to. Like let's say if you want to make calls to like essentially 100 contacts, right? So you should be having a call task and active call task made on these contacts. So how you can do it, you just need to go to CRM contacts. Once you click on it, I have like 32,000 contacts, right? And all of them are like already there in PowerDialer, but I just need to be able for us to fetch all the contacts that you have on HubSpot, which is needed to be called upon. You should have to like make an active task on them. So I click on select all. I've already selected 100 of them. Now I click on create task. Now this will create task. Just one thing, make sure that you have to change the task type to call. Now you can click on create task. Now, as you can see, it has created 100 tasks. If you go to CRM, go to tasks, so it will essentially show you all the pending tasks that we have over here. 299 records have been found over here, and all these are pending tasks. Now we go back to PowerDialer and connect the HubSpot. Now it will take some time to actually, there are a lot of records. It will take some time. You have to wait for like some time, and then you're good to go. As you can see, it has started fetching all the contacts. You can either choose to wait over here or you can just refresh your screen, and in the backend we will keep on processing things. Now, as you can see, we have already processed all the calling tasks, which is there. Now, if I filter out the lead list, there's a huge lead list that I have. If I filter it out with HubSpot, these are the these are the two lead lists that we have fetched from HubSpot, and this is how the integration works. Thank you.